I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got those pretty eyes.
Good morning everyone and welcome to aclaireytale. Welcome to the villa. I'm so happy the sun is shining. This is actually my third intro that I have filmed this morning, so it's going to look like I've been wearing the same t-shirt in every vlog, but actually it's the same day. And today we have our first full day in Florida. It feels so great to be back. We got here late last night. I woke up this morning and I just had this calm, this sense of home, and it feels wonderful to be here. So the plan for today, we're heading to Dunkin Donuts now. We're going to have a Dunkin breakfast, and then we are meeting Simon's sister later on. We're going to head to Springs, maybe have some dinner there. We might go to Splitsville. I'm looking forward to seeing all the Christmas trees, and I'm looking forward to seeing Springs in general. It's been 2 years. I can't wait to see it. I know that it has expanded a lot since we have last been there, so I'll make sure to bring you along. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's go have a lovely day. We are here at the Wizard Dunkin. Just about to go in. Let's see what they've got for Christmas. Oh my god, they've got Santas on the chairs. Love this. Life happens, Dunkin helps. Yes, it does. I got my favourite chocolate milk. I love this Borden chocolate milk. And then I went for a Christmassy, wait, let me get it out. I went for a vanilla frosted with this holly sprinkles. How cute are they? And this is Simon's favourite donut, the double chocolate. Is it the glazed?
Double chocolate glazed, yeah.
And then he got a, what coffee did you get?
It's regular coffee, but I got coconut and toasted almond.
Oh, sounds good. And look at this cup. It's got the fairy lights, and I love that it's got the plug for them as well. Oh, it feels so good to be back. We're in the Coke shop and I love all these spirit jerseys. We've got Fanta and Sprite and then Cherry Coke. This is my favourite one. How good is that? Diet Coke, normal Coke. Simon's coming to Marimoto to get some egg rolls from the quick service that's just here. Here's Simon's pork egg roll. Coming into the world of Disney. Look at all the 50th anniversary stuff. Wowee. We've got Strictly, sponsored by Clarabelle. I love the spirit jersey. It's got gold sparkles at the bottom. Cute. I love this red spirit jersey. It's kind of like a maroon. That's so nice. This is the one I would like. Oh, love it. I love this. A bit warm for Florida, but perfect for England. Oh, this is so nice. Lounge fly. Oh, how cute. I love all the Christmas merch. They're cool spirit jerseys. Oh, give it delis. Home sweet home. We're going in. Unfortunately, no free chocolate anymore.
What is it?
But I'll probably buy some. So we are going into Splitsville. You get an hour-and-a-half game. So this is the inside of Splitsville. We've got a lovely Christmas tree in here. So it's mainly a restaurant as well. You can come in here and just eat, or you can bowl, which is what we're doing. There are 6 lanes here. There's some upstairs as well, up there. Wow, look at this margarita. Wow. And Simon's ordered a pineapple cider. Ah, rubbish. Oh, he's done it. He's done it. A strike. He's done it. Well done. Simon has got some sushi. What one was it?
It was called Crouching Dragon. It's tempura shrimp, avocado, and crab on top.
Amazing. We've got some sushi over there and salads, and I've got a salad as well. Good morning. I didn't film very much the other day, so I'm joining that day with this day. We're here in Winter Garden. I don't know if you can see that water tower up there. It says welcome to Winter Garden. We've just parked in this car park and we are heading into town to have a little look around. They have a brewing company and a farmer's market, and it's just a really cute town. It's gorgeous already. Let me show you all these Christmassy things. We've got candy canes and gingerbread. Oh, that looks like a nice restaurant, doesn't it? North, oh look at this, North Pole.
Market to table, that's called.
Market to table, that looks really good. Little photo op here. North Pole Express. You can, oh yeah. How cute is this area? So we're outside of the tourist bubble. It's a bit more residential around here. Oh, look at the fountains and the palm trees. Oh, cute. This is so pretty. They've got lovely red bows on the lampposts, fountains. Oh, look at the way they've cut these trees. Love the lampposts. I'm obsessed.
Oh, look at, so they light this up at night.
Oh yeah. So what's this?
This is a city hall.
Oh, we've got a city hall.
I love the Art Deco.
Yeah, I was about to say very Art Deco building. Nice fountain outside. Oh my gosh, I love this tree.
So quiet and laid back.
Yeah. I could so live here. This is amazing. You too?
Yeah, I want to throw me a visa.
Yeah, yes please. We'll be here in a flash. What's this? Fat Mike's hot chicken. Nashville's hot chicken. There's a burger thigh. Look at this. Plant Street Market. Look at that building. The brickwork. That's so nice. So inside there's a farmer's market, and then at the end there it's called the Crooked Can Brewing Company. Wow.
Go inside?
Yeah, definitely. So this is the brewery on this side. You can buy beer here and you can go on a tour. It tells you when the tours are. And then here is where you can get loads of food. I'm gonna have a little look at them now. It's called This Little Piggy Went to Plant Street Market. It's a busy one, this one. There's a bit of a queue. Smells so good. And then this is a mac and cheese place. Macked out. Oh yeah, that's so cool. It must be like a TV projection or something.
Yeah. That
sounds awesome. It's flickering on here. So this is a pizza place, it looks like. We've got loads of ice cream. Popcorn. I saw you, Simon spotted the popcorn. Jalapeno cheddar, Simon. This is called Nosh. They've got caramel apples. Oh wow. Peppermint popcorn. White chocolate peppermint. Cinnamon. Pumpkin Reese's. Gingerbread. Oh wow, that is so cool. Oh yeah. There's a butcher's here. Whoa, look at those kebabs. Jalapeno peppers.
Wrapped in bacon.
bacon wrapped asparagus. Oh, loads of cheese. Cool, that looks good. Sushi. There's a little chocolatier. Gosh, they have everything. Ice cream. You can smell those donuts. They smell like the fairground type donuts.
Yeah.
Tacos. Is that? Oh yeah, tacos. Got empanadas. They look a little bit like pasties, but not quite. Wow. And then finally we have tea, loads of different types of tea, and a coffee. A little coffee place. What a wonderful place this is. Definitely recommend coming here hungry. Definitely. Oh look, it's got a big sign that says Merry Christmas as you enter. Whoa, look at this. This looks like a very nice steakhouse. Should we check out the menu?
Steak.
Yeah. Oh, it's not too pricey. 40s and 20s.
Skewers.
Whoa. Wow, looks good. We're around the front of the town hall now. Florida flag.
You must be on Main Street now.
Oh, they've got a nice deer statue here. Look at these Christmassy trees. All the snow on them. Foxtail Cafe, that's... We went to one in Winter Park.
Did you?
With my parents, yeah, it's really good.
Kelly's ice cream, that's Cornish.
Is it Cornish?
There is a Kelly's ice cream.
Oh, it's not that actual one.
No.
Oh, the Christmas music. I am starting to feel a bit Christmassy now.
Just a bit.
Yeah. Oh, look at the fairground. What's this? Pounds Motor Company.
Oh, we're on West Plank.
On West Plant Street. Cool. Oh, look at this. We all grow old, but we don't have to grow up. Here, here. Oh, it's a cinema. Some coffee. This is meant to be good. We might have a drink from there later on.
Yeah, look.
What have you found?
Cookie butter latte.
Oh. Blueberry strudel latte. Okay, yeah, let's come back. This is the Heritage Museum with this train outside.
That's called a caboose.
Is it? And look at this entrance. You've got the Winter Garden Water Tower, American flag up there, and then this as you drive on in. There's a fire truck and a tractor. So down the middle here is a big bike lane, and I've seen so many bikes go past. Oh, look at the Christmas tree. What a great bike track. Oh, are we in Port Marion? Prisoner! We've come into the bike shop and I've just found the funniest t-shirt. Look at this. Oh, what fun it is to ride. Simon's eyeing up his bike.
No, not that bike.
$12,000. It must be good. Gosh, spent some expensive bikes here. That was so funny. So we were just in the bike shop and someone came up to Simon and said, like, "Had you need any help today?" And Simon was like, "Oh no, I'm just dreaming." And when she left us, she said, "Keep dreaming." I love that. We're gonna keep dreaming because this is an absolute dream. She also said to come here when it's dark, and she said the whole place looks like a movie set all lit up for Christmas. Oh yeah, it must look beautiful. Oh, something smells good. Oh yeah, the whole enchilada. Whole enchilada, and there's a rooftop bar as well. We're coming into this gift store, adjectives. So we found this little retro corner of that store we've just walked in, and they've got loads of old Disney merchandise. Look at this, vintage Disney stuff. So cute. There's lots of LPs as well. They've even got a 10 years with Disney company, $75. and a cast holiday coin, $25. So I found this in that shop then, in the vintage part. It's an MGM pin and it was only $10. Love that.
2003.
Yeah. We're coming into Axum Coffee. Ooh. Gosh, the food looks great. Look at that. I bet they heat them up as well. Bagels. Simon's picking up the blueberry strudel latte. We're going back in to see if we fancy any food. They've got beef, chicken and cheese, ham swiss, pork, pickle, Creole mustard. That's the Cuban. Oh, they look great. I'm gonna get this one. Yeah, that's a bargain. So we've ordered one of each from this empanada intro. Simon just got very excited about red velvet, cookies and cream red velvet, sea salt caramel.
Oh, that's a pecan tart. That looks good.
Oh.
Key lime pie. Oh,
They all look great.
couple of peanut butter.
Oh, they're hot chocolate buns.
Oh, wow.
2 of the red velvet.
Big ones over there.
And sausage, that would be nice.
We just found some amazing sausages, and they are, look, this one's cooked with crooked can beer from next door.
Oh, they look amazing.
Saying that.
Oh, that's like a gumbo sausage.
Should I have kept it in the bag like a proper Cornish pasty? Look at this. I got a Mountain Dew, of course. Is it good?
Yeah.
Let's see inside. Oh, so it's beef. Looks like
Beef
some veg.
and some peppers and things.
Oh, peppers.
Yeah, it's a bit
Ooh.
spicy as well.
Oh, is it? This is delicious. So much cheese. Well, I hope you enjoyed coming to Winter Garden with us. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to leave you here as I probably won't vlog the rest of the day. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video if you did. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time. Bye!
Make your memories, take your pictures, make